Now, coming to you live from a random town in the United States. Here's your host, Bullwinkle Fan 2003.
Thanks, Grace, and what's up, Moose lovers? This is Bullwinkle Fan 2003 here once again, and today we're going to be watching a very special YTP that serves as a very good YTP that belongs in hashtag to hell with Mattel, and that's going to be All Engines Go Fuck Themselves. So, yeah, let's begin the video. Yeah, just fuck off. What the fuck? Station joke. Never gets old. No, fuck off. Yeah, you're gonna be on that turntable spinning around and around and around for the rest of your life. Wait, what the hell did you just say?
What did you just say?
You bastard! You bastard! You ungrateful bastard! How dare you! You hurt Edward and Henry's feelings! You frickin' bastard! Can someone just kill All Engines Go, Thomas? I think we're all better off without him. And we are definitely better off without Mattel as well. Yeah, kill him. Kill him! Thank you!
Don't let your kids watch it before you know it.
Yes, don't let your kids watch All Engines Go. It fucking sucks ass. But anyways, that was YTP All Engines Go Fuck Themselves. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment on what was your favorite part of the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reaction videos from me in the future. But until then, this is Bullwinkle Fan 2003 signing off. Get the message, Mattel?